Hey guys, all right, OneManOneCamera here. OneManOneCamera here. How you doing? Today is October 5th, about 4:30 in the afternoon, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Taking a ride. Gonna drive by ride by a mall, and I will give my usual blah 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 blah. All right, come on, let's have some fun. All right, let's ride. Strip mall. All right, so check it out. 24-hour laundromat. Slight hill, riding slowly. And there's Palmero's Pizza. So the ladies get that rosy eyebrow done. And then Arirang Korean barbecue. I gotta buy lunch there one day and see how it tastes. Now I think this was a Walgreens, but they shut down. But this is way before the pandemic. Okay, I guess standard business stuff, they just closed. I passed it, but across the street, there is the Skechers factory outlet. Might go there this week, I think, get a new pair of shoes. Foot spa, get your nails done. China Joe's. Let's see. Sushiyama. This is a busy little area because the bank is open. There is a Albertsons, UPS store, little tea shop, get your boba tea, but you cannot drink inside there now. You must take it outside. Beauty salon, Boost Mobile, lots of places over here. This is Albertsons. You know, Albertsons is a, I think it's a West Coast, USA Western region shopping supermarket. I think it's Albertsons, Vaughn's, Safeways, and Lucky's. I think under the same umbrella, I believe. Okay. But even from here though, off in the distance, you can see the Strat. And you can even see Resorts World Las Vegas. Can you see it there? All right. Then when they test, you can see some of the testing, which I have to get a video of that, a better one soon. All right. So anyway, parking lot. Oh, and across the street is a Target and a what do you call it? Five Guys Burgers and Fries, and some little cafes and so on. And then get your Lucky Money transfer. The Indian restaurant. I never tried this place, you know? Never tried it. Beauty salon. And this thing says Halloween. I think that was a Toys R Us before. Or TJ Maxx. Or Toys R Us, TJ Maxx. Maybe it's a combo. Maybe one side was TJ Maxx and one side was Toys R Us. They're gone now though. Ugh. Which is really too bad. You know? That was a pre-pandemic, okay? Pre-pandemic. Okay. Let's see what we got. Here is Citibank. Citibank Bank. Okay. Now across the street, there's also another sushi shop called Sakana. And because Sakana means fish. Hey, how creative, right? Oh, Sakana. Now we're on Maryland Parkway, heading north, and so we're going on the right side, okay? Ignoring on the left for now. On the right side, this seafood city and so on. We're gonna take a ride past those guys, okay? First up is Wingstop. You know, I have never eaten at a Wingstop, but I've had their wings before at the office before when the boss, you know, brought in some chicken wings. How about that? Very nice of them, very nice. Okay, now, oh, and then there's a, what else is there? There's a, all right, so, now the big daddies here is going to be your seafood city. It's a Asian-focused supermarket, in my opinion. Asian focus. Well, hang on. First, you get the Wingstop, some gastroenterology thing. I think these Toto's Grill, authentic Filipino street food. I never tried that place. Are they open? I don't even know. And then this place right here, it was a sandwich shop, and they closed down during the pandemic. I think. I'm not really sure. Okay. Anyway, so Seafood City, you got your Jollibee, which is your Filipino burger shop, fast food burgers. And then Red Robin Bakery, and then Seafood City. I buy like fish and chicken from this place sometimes. They have good prices, you know. But a couple of times the air conditioning conked out, and it was hot as Hades in there. Not recently though, but it happened before. You know? Oh, it's making me dirty look, huh? Okay, and then coming up soon is and then they have another bakery shop, the Chow King. Now I read somewhere that the Chow King was actually owned by Jollibee, and Chow King's like a Chinese fast food place. I had their chicken and some noodles there once. It tastes okay. And then good old Ross Dress for Less. Now a lot of tourists do come over here, you know, for their shopping every now and then to buy some stuff. Okay. And then there's Party City coming up for your party gifts and gags. Party City. And I went in here once to try to find a black light, because there was a baby scorpion I found in my apartment once. I said, hey. Anyway, I'm ordering on Amazon to get it. And this place, what is this right here? I think this is closed. Whatever it was. Don't know when, but they closed. And then coming up next on the right will be Best Buy. I'm sure you're familiar with Best Buy, just the electronics store. So they've had it hard, I think. And when I first saw these I guess bollards, I said, why are bollards here in front of the store? Smash and grabbers, right? Drive your car through the window, through the glass, grab the product and leave. I said, Jesus, man. You know? So anyway, America. Okay. All right, gotta cross the street, so let's be on our toes. Then you got your, what do you call it? Your Firestone, your car's done. And that building right there in front of us, that's the IHOP, International House of Pancakes. And here is 99 Ranch Market, another Asian supermarket. And they have a lot of, I like these things called digestive biscuits they have here. Anyway, tasty. You can buy like chicken, fish, what do you call it? Fish balls, ramen, other different solid noodles, whatever. Good place. They have good prices. They do good business, and a good fruit selection. A good vegetable selection. Very good selection. Okay. And then there's Marshall's. Now these guys, you know, they also get a lot of tourists in here buying stuff. You know, so give them credit for that. So you go from Marshall's to across the street, and you can see the first thing is a place called John's Incredible Pizza. It's not really like, but almost like a Chuck E. Cheese type place, I guess. I went inside once for a tour. Asked the lady, give me a tour. They gave me a tour. Kind of walked around. Pizza, salad, you know, some games for the kids. And they do good business. I don't know about now, but they were doing very good business. You know, very good business. John's Incredible Pizza. And then, if you are budget conscious or want something you really don't need, you know what I mean. So here's a Goodwill. Now I bought a weight scale there, which I haven't used very often, but I did buy it, so it's on my list, and so on. All right. Okay, we're gonna go left and right, and you see this sign says Anthem. Okay, that's some sort of HMO type thing, I think, or health insurance type thing. I'm not sure exactly what, but this building before was occupied by Macy's. The Macy's hit the road, and this call center for Anthem, they took over the space. So good for the mall, right? Keep that rent money coming in. All right, so we're going to turn right onto the sidewalk. Parking structure, how exciting? Not really. All right, now let's see. This thing's straight. Okay. So coming up, this is the entrance to Anthem. Okay, sound better? Sound better, okay. And then directly in front of us is a, this is now a sushi shop. But this building has gone through several iterations. It was a, like a Cuban dance kind of thing, whatever, sports club, and so on, but nothing really took. And they always closed. I went inside the sports bar one time. It was good, it had a good burger. Oh, it was tasty, oh man. And we had the taco day one day, it was good in there also. And you know, but now it's a, it's called, what's it called? Hayashi Japanese cuisine. I poked my head in there a while ago, but man, that music was loud. I was thinking, this is a sushi place, you know, I don't know. Anyway, so blah, blah, blah. All right, anyway, hey, let's keep on rocking. Pardon me. What do we got? And it's like a tennis shoe shop, sneakers, you know, what's it called? S-H-E-K-H, Shake? I don't know. Get your Raiders gear, hey. But I don't think I've ever been inside there. And this place here called Primal, this also had a, this location for restaurants here has a tough because there's been like a Mexican place, they shut down, then Italian place, they shut down, so I don't know what they're gonna do here. You know, they have it really hard. Are they open? Huh, oh well, good luck to them. Remember that little fried fish thing I did a while ago? It's right here, you see? Crack Shack, Kraken Seafood to go. Kraken Seafood, yeah, Crack Shack, yeah. So this place is right here, okay? And then you have some other things down here, just some fashion stuff, I guess, you know. Whatever was here is gone now. Furniture Fashions. I think this is one of those places where you can get, if your credit's bad and you need some furniture, I think you come here. I think. Okay, and so what else we got? Furniture. And then up on the right, where they just entered at, that's Old Navy. Now, Old Navy here, you cannot enter from the mall side. You must enter from the street, well, the parking lot side, which kind of surprised me, but that's the only way to get in. So for your Old Navy gear, Old Navy's cool. Now, now before, this area was, this was Sears. This whole backside was Sears. You know, Sears has done its thing, and so now that Sears is gone, I believe this area will be one of those trade school places called, oh wait a minute, nope, not yet. What's it called? I forget what it's called. It's one of those trade school places where I guess if you get a grant, get a loan if you want to learn. I think it's, here we go, short-term career training, United Education Institute. No, you can't see it because it's okay, let's see. Short-term career training, healthcare and trades. I think they do like dental assistant, some kind of car mechanic, insurance coder for billing, and that sort of thing. I spoke with a lady one day, one of those little sales ladies, and I gave her the question, you know? I said, listen, what is your hit rate for students who graduate? I asked her the question, what is your hit rate for students who graduate who can get a job in what they studied for? Oh, I don't know. I said, damn woman. Well, I didn't say that. My brain said it. I said, damn woman, you should know these things because someone's going to ask you if their kid or whatever goes here, then what is the likelihood of them getting a job? You know, but she didn't have the answer. I was like, Jesus, man. Oh, she goes, well, you know, one of the other staff will have. I said, man, I said, you should know this stuff, you know? Don't fob me off somebody else. So anyway, let's take a look. So yeah, that's where it is right there. Yeah. So like I said, it did trip me out though. Yeah, with Sears closing. Yeah, that was Sears. So there was also before a JCP in here, and they closed, and they became a furniture store, and that closed. And now I should walk around the inside, huh? And now it's going to be a mercado. My Spanish is horrible pronunciation today. Mercado, with a bunch of little small shops, which seem to be about maybe 100 square feet, maybe 200 square feet. People can vendors can sell whatever they want to sell. That should open this month, I think. I spoke with the facilities manager a while back, and she showed it to me. Oh, okay, cool. You know, so I think it's mostly stuff out of Mexico, I believe. Okay, and I don't know what this is. Is this a COVID testing site? I have no idea what this thing is. Sorry for the glare. Oh, and there's the Applebee's, and I have never been to an Applebee's before. Never. And there's your Nevada State Bank, Burger King, Nevada Job Connect. I do wonder what's inside of here. Don't you? I'll ask somebody. All right, I think we're going to, let's try to park this crate and then go into the mall. I want some French fries. Well, no, not really. I had French fries twice this week, so I should not eat any more, right? Oh, the big street behind me. Oh, hang on. Sorry. So remember, we're on Flamingo, way down there we started, and the street over here is, that's going to be Desert Inn. Desert Inn? D-I. Yeah, Desert Inn. Okay, cool. All right, now we go park this crate and see if we can do a walk through the mall. You know, this is your basic urban mall. You know, I guess the anchor tenant. Who's the anchor tenant now? Well, I guess there's not really an anchor tenant anymore because Macy's left, Sears left, and JCP left. Those are your top. They were the top name brand, you know, large square footage places, but they're gone now. Sorry, I'm just making a circle, avoiding the cars. All right, let's go this way. Yeah, I guess there is no anchor tenant now, huh? Is there? No, I guess Old Navy? Not really, because you only enter on the street side. So, you guys. So I guess there's be a lot of smaller shops. I know there's a Victoria's Secret and one of those Bed Bath & Beyond type places. I forgot if it's Bed Bath & Beyond, you know. And there's a Galaxy movie theater. But are they open now? I don't even know anymore, because you read the Regal, where a lot of movie theaters closed up and the whole across the USA they closed down because no movies being released this year. So that's that. Yeah, let's park this crate and then I will come back and see you in a wee bit. All right? All right. Don't touch that dial. This might be a long video, you guys. Ugh. Maybe a two-parter. Okay, first the ride, then the walk. Yeah. All right.